scientists have transferred memories from one mouse to another soon. We might be able to download our own memories into a computer. Imagine being able to save your favorite memories, your wedding day, the birth of your child, a perfect vacation, and relive them anytime you want. Or imagine downloading someone else's memories, learning a new language instantly by uploading a linguist's memories, or experiencing a historical event through the eyes of someone who was there. Memory transfer has been a staple of sci-fi for decades. But recent experiments with animals have brought this fantasy closer to reality. Let's explore the science of memory, how scientists are transferring memories, and whether we'll ever be able to download our brains. First, let's understand how memories are stored in the brain. Memories aren't stored in a single location. They're spread across networks of neurons in the hippocampus and cerebral cortex. When you form a memory, like meeting someone new, neurons in these networks fire together, strengthening the connections between them. This is called synaptic plasticity, the brain's ability to change and adapt based on experience. 2. Retrieve a memory. Your brain reactivates the same network of neurons that fired when the memory was formed. The first breakthrough in memory transfer came in 2013, when scientists at the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, transferred a memory from one sea slug to another. Sea slugs have simple nervous systems, making them ideal for studying memory. The scientists trained the sea slug to 畏缩 when touched by giving it a mild electric shock, then extracted RNA, a molecule that carries genetic information, from its neurons and injected it into another sea slug. The second sea slug immediately 畏缩 when touched, even though it had never been shocked. This proved that memory could be transferred via RNA. Since then, scientists have repeated similar experiments with mice. In 2020, a team from MIT used optogenetics, a technique that uses light to control neurons, to transfer fear memory from one mouse to another. The scientists labeled the neurons that fired when a mouse learned to fear a sound, then reactivated those neurons in another mouse using light. The second mouse immediately showed signs of fear when it heard the sound, even though it had never been trained to fear it. These experiments show that memories are linked to specific neural networks, and that activating those networks can transfer the memory.